To add a workshop job, go to Workshop tab and choose Add Jobs under Jobs. Enter relevant information by choosing the customer from the drop-down menu. To add a new customer, click on the New Customer hyperlink and choose Company if it's a corporate client, or Individual if it's a person. Click on this Add/Edit hyperlink to add a new or edit an existing contact. Continue with the form. To add a new mechanic, click on this New Mechanics hyperlink. The job hours are calculated based on the time in and time out set. Next will be the vehicle information. Select whether the vehicle is a customer, internal or history fleet. Then search for the vehicle from the drop-down list. Click on this Add Customer Vehicle to add a new vehicle. Fill in the form with relevant information. Once done, click Save to add the new vehicle. You may also view related customer or view vehicle. Enter the service mileage, next service date, next service mileage, and remarks regarding the next service date. Proceed to the accident record section if applicable. If not, continue to the service items table. Choose and select tax type first, then click this wrench icon to add service items or parts. Search for the service item or part from the drop-down list. Or you may also add a new service item or part using these buttons. Click Save to add, and then modify the item quantity. Click on this Add Package button to add a service package. Same procedure, search and select the service package you need and click Save to add to the job. The added items are displayed here. To check in a vehicle for service, you may either click the Check-in button here, or save the job first. Let's save first. You will see that the job details are displayed here. Scroll down to the checklist section, and click this Check-in button. Fill in the form with relevant information. Click the Submit button to proceed with the digital check-in. The vehicle check-in is shown here. Click the Edit button to modify the checklist. Click on the View button to view the PDF format of the checklist. Click this trash bin icon to delete the checklist you just made. To complete a service item, click on this thumbs up icon button. The status will change from pending to complete. For parts, you may view the parts distribution by clicking on this icon button. Click on the Set Inventory icon to choose the source of the part inventory. Select the warehouse and rack, then click Add to Set. Click this Stock Out button to adjust the inventory appropriately. The status of items will be updated here. You may also find the status legend at the bottom section of the job overview. Now, click on this Checkout button to check out the vehicle. You may set the 2D layout of the vehicle here. Fill in with relevant information. Click the Submit button to save the checkout details. The job progress and details are updated here. The customer can also sign here. Similar to check-in, you can edit, view and delete the checkout details using the buttons here. Click on this Health Checklist button to create a health checklist for the vehicle. Fill in the form with relevant information. Then click Submit to save. Similarly, you can edit, view and delete the health checklist details using the buttons here. You can check more details of the job from these tabs. To see the list of all the jobs created, go to List Jobs under the Workshop tab. The added workshop jobs are displayed here. You may use this Edit icon to modify, Trash Bin icon to delete, and this Clone icon here to duplicate a copy of the job. Click on this dollar icon button to generate an invoice from this job. Make the relevant changes, if necessary. Then click Save to create a draft copy of the invoice. Otherwise, click the Save and Submit button to generate the final invoice. The invoice details are shown here. You'll see that the job status is updated in the jobs list, showing that it's invoiced. Click on the View Invoice button to view the details. Click on the Regenerate Invoice button to create an invoice from the job again. Click on this Expand button to get a quick view of the service items. The service items and their status are displayed here.